If you want to move data from memory card onto your Redmi A7 Pro's storage or the other way around, then what you need to do is you can use the File Manager app. So if you go over here, you can go to Browse, for example, in order to try to find anything that you want to transfer from the phone storage to the microSD card storage or the other way. So in this case, we can use one of these types in order to quickly find something that you want to transfer from your phone to the SD card, or you can go to the SD card in order to try to find something that you have on your memory card and you want to transfer to your phone. First, I'm gonna just show you how to do that from phone to the microSD card. In this case, I'm just gonna use 2 images as an example. Let's say I'm gonna choose these ones over here. Now what I need to do is I need to tap on Move at the bottom. Of course, we transfer from the phone to the microSD card, so I need to choose SD card over here, and then I need to decide where these files have to be placed. So I'm gonna choose this DCIM folder, and I'm just gonna move it in here by using this check. And that's pretty much all. Now, if you want to transfer something from the microSD card to the phone, then here we can just go to the SD card, relocate our files that we want to transfer, select them, and the rest is pretty much the same. We're gonna tap on Move. This time we choose the internal storage, and then we choose where these files should be saved. So let's say I'm just gonna move it in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.